Hey everybody, welcome to another video. And I haven't done a gaming video in so long that I thought maybe it's time. And since Christmas was nearby, I decided to go ahead and buy myself a Christmas gift. Alright, so let's unbox this and find out what it is. Okay. Well, looky. Alright. Oh, did I flip the camera? I sure did. Alright, there we go. That better. Oh, alright. So what we have here is the PlayStation 5 Modern Warfare 3 bundle. It comes with the disc drive version of the PlayStation 5, one controller, and the Modern Warfare 3 game. Not in the disc form, but a voucher. So, I got this at Costco. Alright, if you buy this at Walmart, this package right here, the one console, one controller, one game, is $4.99. I got this at Costco instead of Walmart because at Costco they give you a controller, a camouflage controller, and a controller charger stand, and that was it was $5.68. So Walmart, if you just get the console and the game bundle pack, is $4.99, essentially $500. If you buy a controller, separate another extra controller, that's another, I believe, what, 70 or is it 80 bucks now? I don't know. And then if you buy a controller stand that charges the controllers, add what, another 20-30 bucks. So basically, by getting this bundle, I saved a couple of dollars on an extra controller, and I essentially got the controller charging station for free. Okay, so after taxes, the taxes, believe it or not, was $55, because in Tennessee we have a 10% sales tax, and I wound up paying $680 some dollars. $650 some dollars. Okay, so I have the receipt somewhere, but that's it. Let's get this out of the box. Now, you might say to yourself, man, Glock Ninja, it's not Christmas yet. Well, you know, Christmas is for kids. And why wait to enjoy something? Tomorrow's not promised. So, anyway, I decided to go ahead, and plus, my stepson, he wanted the Modern Warfare game. I was really interested in the game. He wants it, so I'm going to give it to him as part of his Christmas gift. There's the power cord. Yes, and yes, he does have the PlayStation 5 in his room, but he's got the digital version. This is the disc version. So here's the charging cable for the controller. The other part of the it comes with a video HDMI cable, and I believe this may be 8K compatible, hopefully. I'm going to assume that it is because the PlayStation 5 is 8K Blu-ray compatible. Here is the standard white controller. It's got a little charcoal tint to it. All right. Going further in. Give you the whole unboxing experience here. Okay, there we go. Now, I decided to get the disc version because I needed a new Blu-ray player anyway. The Blu-ray player I got now plays 8K, but 8K video, but you know, it's one of those cheap ones. So I decided I wanted to get the PlayStation 5 and see if it plays video a lot better or have a better picture. Here is the actual console. It looks smaller than the actual original. Is this the slim model? I don't know. I'm assuming that it is because it looks smaller than the one my stepson got, which is the digital model. And you would think that the digital model was smaller, but this looks or feels a little smaller. So it has the power button, which I love the power button. I don't like the touch pads. I like a physical button. It has a physical eject button here. I like physical buttons. I don't like the smooth touch pads. You know when you're pressing it because it has a tactile feedback or feel to it. HDMI port back here, Ethernet, landline. 2 USB ports back here for power. Okay. Uh-oh. We're missing something. Well, I don't see it, but I think we are missing the stands. Don't these come with a stand? I don't see it. Could this be the stand? I guess the PlayStation Slim model, this is the stand. I don't know. To sit it vertically. I don't know. Let's look at the directions real quick. And here is the game voucher for Modern Warfare. Now, see, that's another thing I don't like about the way they do things now is everything is digitized. I like physical disc games. See, because although my stepson wants this game, I could give it to him. He could borrow it from me. And then if I want to play it, I could take the disc back from him and go put it in my PlayStation and play blah, 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 right? But with this being loaded onto his PlayStation, I have no way to, unless I don't know. Is there a way to share the game? I guess game share or some sort like that. But, you know, another thing is, you know, you want to be able to you want to be able to sell the game later down the road, or you want to be able to go to a flea market and look through a physical assortment of games and purchase games on a budget, you know? And you can't do that, not that I know of, with digital copies, unless there is, I guess, a way these days to sell your digital copy games. Okay, so I'm gonna assume that these are the stands. Trying to look at how you supposed to install the stands. Quick start guide here. There we go. Okay, the stands go. Okay, the stands go pretty much here under here. Yeah, I see it. I'll take this tape off. You gotta stick, I guess, these in here. I don't know if it goes in like this. Alright, that's in. I guess that's in too. And that pretty much keeps everything level. And then I guess if you want to stand it vertically, there's vents here in the bottom. But if you want to stand it vertically, I guess it won't block that vent, because if you set it on something hard, it has a little tiny bit of an elevation to it. But yep. So we're gonna have it set up. We're gonna hook up onto the big screen TV and get you a little view. Here is the controller, extra controller. Yeah. And the extra controller is very hard to take out. Man, I tell you. Alright, here we go. And there is no charging cable for the extra controller. So they don't give you a USB charging cable. Basically, just you're on your own. You have to get, I guess, your own charging cable. It won't matter because this whole package deal came with charging station for the controllers. So yeah, this camouflage one looks pretty cool, actually. Yeah, I've been neglecting the gaming community for a long time. I haven't been playing much. So, but like I said, I decided to get a PlayStation 5 finally. I've decided to get this because what else you gonna do with your money, right? Here is the charging station for the extra controllers. I mean the controllers. Comes with a power brick cable, extension cord. I mean the power cable. Must be substantial because it comes with its own power brick. So it's one of those, I guess, fast chargers. And just put it on there, I guess. Boom. Just rest on top there. And rest on top of there. And bam, you got your charging. Yep, pretty cool. All right, thanks for watching.